tayo ng survival game. Ito ay hindi Minecraft. Ito ay isang Kokowakochi game na ginawa din ng Azure Games. Ito po nga pala ang nangunguna talaga ngayon na maraming ginagawang games. At ngayon, intayin na natin hanggang ano lang tayo dito, hanggang 4 games. 4 games lang tayo dito, ha? Wait lang, 4 games. Ayan, hanggang 4 games lang. Yan. Yan lang natin. Yan. Yan. Yay! Panalo ko. Last na. Yan, panalo na naman tayo dito sa ating survival game. Yan. Next muna tayo.
Okay, guys, so Skibidi War Told Tech is finally here. Hey, man, that's how the game is. We got a little power. Okay, whoa, I can't see. Okay, they're actually doing the Skibidi. I like that. Oh, wait, what is this? This is oh, yeah, this theme is way better. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Maybe not. Hopefully not. Not gonna. Oh, I survived. All right, so we're moving up through the city. It looks like. Oh, what's that, dude?
Yan, at magpapaalam na ako sa inyo mamaya pagkatapos ng 2 games. Channel Nilo Mangaban. Bye!